Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I want to show you how you can easily pause your membership in Netflix. So let's say you want to pause membership for 1 month. What you can do is go over to your profile picture, click on account right here. Then it will show you this account membership details page where you can click on manage membership. So click on that and then scroll down and click on cancel membership. Now this will not cancel your membership, but instead it will take you to this page where is the option to pause for 1 month. So click on this if you want to pause your membership. You can also finish cancellation here, change to basic or lower your plan and return to watching. So this tutorial is about pausing, so click on pause for 1 month. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.